Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at Publix. When you are ready to pay, simply look for the contactless symbol at the checkout terminal. This innovative payment method enhances security by using a unique transaction code for each purchase, rather than your actual card number. It offers a swift and convenient way to complete your grocery shopping, allowing you to pay in just a few seconds. Before heading to the register, open your wallet app and confirm your desired card is selected as the default. If you haven't yet added a card, tap the plus sign and follow the simple on-screen instructions, which typically takes less than 1 minute. For security, you will likely need to verify your card with your bank. Having your device prepared beforehand ensures a smooth and efficient checkout experience every single time. Once the cashier has scanned all your items, simply double-click the side button on your iPhone. Your default card will appear, ready for use. Authenticate your purchase with a quick glance at Face ID, a touch of Touch ID, or by entering your passcode. Then, hold your device within 1 or 2 inches of the payment terminal. A gentle vibration and a check mark on your screen will confirm a successful transaction. Sometimes the contactless reader might need a moment to activate, so give it a few seconds before attempting to tap your device. If your payment doesn't go through on the first attempt, simply remove your device, wait a moment, and try again. Occasionally, holding your phone at a slightly different angle can make all the difference. Remember, the contactless symbol indicates where to tap. If problems continue, a cashier can offer assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.